Hey guys, it's Cassie and today I have a luxury haul unboxing and luxury bag unboxing for you. Guys, I am so excited. We have some very interesting pieces. Two pieces are from brands I've never bought from before, one of which I've never heard of before until I was doing the little scrolly scroll. And then we have Versace and we have a Prada bag. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're gonna love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. All of the links for these items will be below. Oh my gosh. Okay, where to begin? Where to begin? Okay, item number one. You know I love a good legging, okay? However, what colour are all my leggings? That's right, black. And I thought, do you want to know what? I feel like we're missing a trick here. And I saw this pair of Versace Baroque leggings and I was like, and you are what's going to bring home this look for me that I have in my mind. These aren't like particularly new, like they've been doing this kind of like, you know, patterned legging for a while now, and I don't know why it's taken me this long to give them a good enough look or consider them, but I am here and I'm on the train and I'm happy. I'm so happy to be here. Okay, so this is the Baroque one. How am I going to describe this composition to you? It's very stretchy. It's very kind of like shiny material, like lycra, right? Such a fun way to level up an all black look. And I just thought, you know, why not? I never do anything fun with the bottom half of my body, isn't it? Aside from shoes. I mean, oh, I've just realised. No, I never do anything fun with my trousers, so I thought, let's give it a go, let's see how it goes. I love the fact as well, if we look at illusion wise, you've got black down the middle and you've got white at the sides, which should technically have a little bit of a slimming effect, and honestly, if you're offering it to me, I'm not going to turn it down. You can do this with a boot, you can do it with a heel, you can do it with a heeled boot. I feel like there's lots of versatility, lots of options with this. She means business, okay? She's walking in, she's taking names. If this was with a plain black legging, nothing to write home about. But this, with a little bit of shout on the legs, well, we've levelled things up a little bit, haven't we? Very comfortable, very stretchy. Come see the stretch. Nice, comfy, all of that. You feel free, you don't feel suffocated. Always a win in fashion, if you can breathe. It's one of life's great questions as to how it's taken me this long to get these. I got these in a size 40 and it's perfect. In no way like cutting off circulation, restrictive, can't breathe, any of that. Very comfortable, sits nicely, high-waisted. She's serving us the moments that we need. These got delivered from Versace Sloane Street here in London, so, you know, hello. And I got these from Farfetch. Thank you so much, Farfetch, for being the sponsor of this portion of today's video. And yes, that does mean I have a code for you. I've worked with them for a while now, over a year, crazy. And thank you to you guys for using the codes that they provide, because they keep coming back and giving us more codes, which is fantastic. So, Farfetch, if you didn't know, is an online platform that basically connects us, the shoppers, with brands, boutiques, department stores from all over the world, and it's all on the one Farfetch site. I love this because I always discover really interesting, not even new, but just designers that I have never known of or anything, because it's so easy to just come across interesting pieces or new designers on Farfetch. I'm always on the new in section, scrolling through, making sure I'm kept up to date, you know. So the next item that I'll be showing you in the haul is a brand that I've never heard of, never bought from before, loved the piece, I saw it on Farfetch. Another reason I love shopping on Farfetch is the loyalty program. It's called Access, and basically the more that you buy on Farfetch, the access to more kind of like goodies and things that you get. So you get discounts, access to exclusive brands, free shipping, things like that. And at the private client tier, you basically get access to Farfetch's personal shoppers and stylists, which is fabulous. I have an edit on Farfetch. I will link that below, but a little snippet of it will be over here. Have a peruse, okay? It's always got stuff that I have my eye on in there, or stuff that I just think is fabulous and you need to know about. The code is on the screen. There are some brand exclusions, and T's and C's will be below, so do have a look, but use it, enjoy, and thank you so much, Farfetch, for sponsoring this video. All right, item number two. Item number two is, you would think it's very un-me. I saw this pop up on the screen and I don't know why, but I just had this like immediate reaction of adding to cart, you know? And when you know, you know. So this is this fabulous bright pink mini skirt with a huge side bow that is extremely long, which means that the fabulousness impact is very high. You've got a zip on the side, and it is by the brand Bernadette. So I did a little bit of researching on the brand. It's a mother-daughter design duo from Antwerp, and while some of the other designs are not really up my alley, this, just hear me out with this one, because you're going to be like, oh my gosh, this is very like Elle Woods, very Legally Blonde, which she's a personal icon of mine, but it's not necessarily my style, is it? Well, you're going to see how I style her, but I'm fully planning on wearing this exact look at Christmas. And if you follow me on Instagram and I post this exact look on the 25th of December, pretend as though you've never seen it before, okay? But I'm just too excited to show you the look now. I feel like this is an extremely statement piece, but there's a lot of versatility in changing up the vibe of it with whatever like top you decide to go with. You could wear this on a holiday, on the beach somewhere, going to a lovely candle-lit dinner, okay? On the shores of, give me, Bermuda. A very cute, like, bralette situation and maybe a sparkly sandal, absolutely killing it. You know, give those whales and dolphins a little bit of a show. Or you could style it for a little autumn-winter moment, as I'm about to show you over here. I am the cutest thing around. Oh my gosh. I love it. I just love it so much. It's cute, but it's not too like cutesy, in my opinion. Of course I had to do it with this. Of course we were just like, let's just keep this cute little train running. Stop. I love the black that underlies everything, and then you just have the pop. You let her have your moment. These can really trail as long as you want them to, or as short as you want them to. You can have a really nice chunky bow going on there. You can do it however you want. Look, oh my gosh, I can't get over it. It's just the cutest. Could I have done them with these? Yes. Let's see, because it's a slightly different like shade. We could really pink it up. We could really bring the pink home. Stop. This is just so adorable. I can't. So I got this in a size 40, and I think that that's great because even though it's maybe like a tiny bit big, when you tie it with the bow, it's perfect. And I like actually the fact that the bow is not pre-tied, because I was then worried like, oh, then you have to get like a really perfect fit. But this is fantastic. This came from Browns in the Netherlands. Also, one thing to note is that it is not lined, okay? But it's not particularly see-through either, so just to let you know. Okay, the next one is from a brand that I've never shopped at before, but I've heard of. And I bought this because, once again, it was very one of those, like, immediate, like, gut reaction that was like, I must have it. This is me. I must have this in my arms, you know? I actually saw this on the Threads styling Instagram. By the way, if you don't want to spend money, don't follow Threads. But basically I saw it on there and I was like, excuse you? It is from a brand called Chris Joy, and Chris Joy is famous for their puffer jackets. They do puffers and they do them very well. Okay, let me just show you. It's this padded shirt, I shall elaborate, in this bandana print. Stop. Stop. This is very me. This is very playing to my inner rapper and I love it. Okay, so you know how I absolutely ride or die, would do terrible things for my Gucci jacket? Well, this I intend to style in a similar way, but she's a little bit warmer. So, it's not a puffer jacket, it is a padded shirt. It is a shirt with a little bit of padding, as the name suggests. You've got little poppers. I wouldn't wear it closed. I really wouldn't. This is a you throw on. It's a super casual moment, and she is a little bit of a statement. No, she's a lot of a statement, but she's not too much. It's not, oh my gosh, here she is coming with her bandana print shirt, you know? I don't know. Do you understand? So this is almost going to lend to be like my warmer version of my Gucci jacket. This is much snuggles. Much snuggles. I love it. The issue I had here was with the sizing, because their sizing, I got a 00, which I've never been. Their sizing is just very strange. I think the smallest is a it's like 0001 or like 0000001. I don't know. I feel like I'm talking in Morse code or something, but you'll see how it is on my body, and then you can judge, you know, based on me, what size you would go for, if of course you're interested. But this is very cool, very easy, snuggly, warm, but fabulous and interesting and stylish. Well, 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 if it isn't a very Cassie $2 signs outfit. This is extremely me, okay? Bodysuit, leggings, preferably with a slit, chunky sneakers, topped off with a fabulous casual jacket, and Chris Joy is really serving exactly what I need them to. When I tell you that this is snuggly and warm, I am telling you that it's snuggly and warm. I need you to trust me on this, okay? It's, you know, like, look, it's cut like a shirt. It's very shirt-like. It's unisex, okay? As I said, this is the 00 size. You see how she looks? This is it with the arms down. Oh, a little bit unexpected. What's she up to? I don't know, but I like the games that she's playing. This came directly from Chris Joy in Italy, and also came with a fabulous yellow Chris Joy hanger, so thank you very much for that. Let's get on to the bag. I am a liar, okay, because I said no more bags until Fendace, and then I bought this bag, and also I'm planning on buying another bag as a Christmas present to myself, because why not? So I cannot be trusted. Can I give you a backstory on the bag? I know that you just want to see me open it, but can I please give you a backstory? So, this bag has been in the back of my mind for a while now. Like, I've always seen this bag and liked it whenever I've come across it online or seen someone in person wearing it. I'm like, that's just a really nice bag. Now, in my wishlist video, I was talking about the fact that I was considering the Louis Vuitton Sac Plat BB. And the reasoning was, I recently had to, like, go for a meeting. I wanted to take my agenda with me because I'm very much a note person. Like, I don't want to type it on my phone. I want to write it down, hand to paper. That is me. Okay, none of my normal bags fit this in, so I have to now carry a huge tote. And I was like, but then I don't really want to carry a huge tote and this is just rattling around, because really, like, I don't need anything much bigger than this. So then I was considering the Louis Vuitton one. And then I actually thought, do you want to know what? Now this bag ticks the boxes that you need, that you were going to get from the Louis Vuitton one, but I think I like her more. This definitely fills a hole in my collection. Also, she's grey, which I love. This bag, okay, I don't even know, like, you know how Prada is. The name of the bags are all over the place. This is probably just called, like, Canvas Small Tote or something. And she is just all of the casual vibes that I need her to be. She comes in grey, she comes in black, she comes in white. Now, she also does come with a crossbody strap. Open sesame, thank you. Fabulous crossbody, easy canvas strap there. I'm not going to lie to you. I did expect... She's not going back. I did expect this to not feel as sturdy as it does. These handles... Can you hear this? Like, these handles are like... She's thick with 3 C's. She's not going anywhere. And also, it is deceptively roomy because it's quite like a compact little... You know, look. She looks like cute, compact, whatever. Look at the room. She's roomy, okay? So, not only does she very comfortably do what I needed her to do and house my agenda and everything else, small bottle of water, all of your essentials, all of that, a little bit of touch-up, a tiny makeup bag in there. This is giving me very city vibes. She's rushing around. She's a gal on the go, okay? She's on the phone. She's taking calls and taking names, and she's running about, and she's going to stop at Whole Foods to grab a packet of pita chips on the way home, you know, with possibly a little dish of hummus. It's giving me that, and I love her. So while this may be an unexpected choice for me, it definitely fills a hole in my collection that I need filled. And I love it. It's just like, it's super simple, classic, easy. She's going to do the job now. She's going to do the same job in 10 years' time. We love. So there you go. Guys, let me know what you thought about my choices. And don't forget to use my Farfetch code. It is on the screen once again, just to jog your memory, just to remind you. And thank you so much again to Farfetch. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. And in the words of my father...
If you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.